Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is a celebration for the Lunar New Year for February 16, 2018 coming up. So I'm gonna unbox this for you guys to check it out. And we went to Disneyland yesterday, and they were also doing like a AP days. So let's go ahead and get this open. So my wife got this shirt for her. This is the Happy New Year 2018, and this is for the Lunar New Year. They have a couple of the design, but this one is a special one. This is for the annual pass holder. As you can see, there's a lantern right here, lantern pass holder. Okay, and it says Disneyland Resort with Mickey Mouse and then Pluto, because it's this year is the dog year. And this is size medium, and retail for $27.99. And this is the barcode. And then there's nothing on the back. And this one is 100% cotton. Then she got this pin right here. Lunar New Year 2018. This is a pretty nice pin. Limited edition. Only 2,000 of this pin were released. And the other one is with the Pluto, with the tassel on the bottom here. And that one's got released 4,000 pieces. And this one's retail for $16.99 plus tax. At first I thought it was pretty expensive, and then I saw the one that Pluto, the one that has a Pluto in it. It was selling for $14.99, but I didn't see it at the cart. And I went to eBay. They were selling it double, plus $4 something for shipping. So I better see if I could go back in there and grab some more, and then maybe do some resale. So anyway, there were AP days yesterday, so we got lucky. We caught 6 of this, and I haven't seen anybody selling this on eBay yet, so I might just post this up. All right. So this is my unboxing for this Disneyland Lunar New Year celebration for 2018. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, and then like the video. Please subscribe if you are new to the channel, and then turn on that bell for notification. Alright? Share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.